Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use eBay's authenticity guarantee and how you can use it to shop with confidence. First of all, open your eBay app. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. First of all, let's explore authenticity guarantee. When you are browsing for the items, look for the listings that are covered by eBay's authenticity guarantee. You will see the badge that says authenticity guaranteed in the item's description. These items are typically high-end luxury items like watches, handbags, and sneakers. eBay works with trusted third-party authenticators to inspect the items before they reach you. Once you have purchased an item with the authenticity guarantee, the seller ships it directly to the authenticator. They will inspect the item to verify the authenticity before sending it to you. And the item passes through the inspection, it will be sent to you with a guarantee of authenticity, and you will receive a certificate of authenticity for a peace of mind. This extra layer of security helps you protect from buying counterfeit items and ensure that you get a genuine article and product. Now let's see how to use it. For that, let's find out sneakers. Tap on the sneakers that you want to buy. Like I want to buy this one. Scroll down. However, you can see an authenticity guarantee over here. Step back. Now tap on filter on top left corner. And scroll down until you see an authenticity guarantee. It's over here. Toggle it on. And it's searching the item with authenticity guarantee. Right now there is no exact matches, so you got the general idea about how to use the authenticity guarantee. And that's it. With authenticity guarantee, you can shop high-end items with confidence. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.